Welcome to 108A Misty Oak Road. This nicely updated 2-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a covered front porch, 2 parking spaces, and updated luxury vinyl plank and tile flooring inside. It's located in the northeast area of Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-77, great dining and shopping in Sandhills. Just a quick commute to downtown Columbia and Fort Jackson as well. So we're out front. This is part of a duplex building. This is units on the first floor. You can see there's 2 parking spaces or 2 space wide parking pad on the left side here. There's another one on the right for the other unit that's upstairs. So this again is the downstairs front facing unit and does have a covered front porch. Nice brick here as you enter. And you step inside into a small foyer here, which has nice tile flooring. And that's also in the kitchen and the bathrooms. And also you have the luxury vinyl plank hardwood look flooring that's throughout the rest of the space. Coat closet here in the foyer, off the entry as well. And then you step into the open plan living and dining area. So living room has a fireplace, wood burning fireplace against that wall. And then you can also see the dining area sort of marked out over here. The kitchen is off of there. You have tile flooring in here again. You also have your washer and dryer connections in here full size. And this one does have a side door out to the outside. It's a galley style kitchen with included white appliances. There's a refrigerator, electric stove, and dishwasher, and wood cabinets. And then you have 2 bedrooms. So the first of 2 here. This one has 2 closets. And you see those floors do continue in here as well. Also, you have a ceiling fan in here. Linen closet in the hallway. And then the full bathroom. And I apologize, I correct myself on the number of bathrooms in this unit. This one does have 1 full bath. So that's just between the 2 bedrooms, but you do have nice updated vanity in here. And a shower and tub, and again the tile flooring in the nice sized bathroom. And then your second bedroom here, of course, off the hall as well, which also has 2 closets and a ceiling fan. So that completes our tour of this home. That is the downstairs unit, Unit A. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.